Poor Santiago has hiccups. He gets hiccups all the time, but he just makes the cutest face. He's so sad whenever he has hiccups. I had to capture this moment. The thing is, it can last for like 3 minutes, so I probably won't videotape the whole thing. Look at that face. Poor guy, we just took him to the doctor today for his pediatric checkup. He is at his birth weight already at just 8 days, weighing 5 pounds, 10 ounces. Did some blood work, and his jaundice is just about gone. We'll probably have to do some more blood work in about 2 weeks just to double check, but he's doing good. Except for the hiccups. He's doing hiccups. There's Logan. And here's my shot. Gotta make sure I get some airtime in these videos, or else I'm never in them. Huh. Yeah. That's okay though. This video is about Santiago and his hiccups. You're gonna get through this, buddy. You're gonna get through this. Let's zoom in. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off so I can pat his back and see if I can burp up and see if that helps.